Good afternoon to everyone. On behalf of the Kakatiya School of Excellence, we are welcoming everyone to this live program. Uh, I'm going to be given a clarity on this program. So today we are celebrating a National Science Day. On the occasion of that, all our students they wanted to show their talent through this program. They have come up with the preparation of so many activities. Their exhibits they are going to be present in front of us, and for this we are expecting you have to give your appreciation for all our students. Then we can see the achievements of our students. I think this is the first live program we are taking on our Instagram, and by using of this experience we can conduct more activities for the school events. Thank you for everyone being in the part of this event. We are going to be start now from the first grade. We will see how our kids are prepared for the presentation. We will listen from them. Yeah, I think you heard one of the student presentation. I think you loves this. We are hoping that our kids are very exciting to express their projects. We will try to listen. What is this project? Can you tell your project name? What is your project name? What is your project? Very good. Very good. This is the showcase for our students. What is your project?
Winter.
Okay. You are going to be talking about the dress of the winter. Yes? Yeah, very good. What is your project?
That.
What is that?
That.
Okay. Yeah. Your project is vegetables. Yeah?
Vegetables.
Okay. What is your project?
Monsoon.
Very good. You also talking about the monsoon season? Very good. I think you can see this. Our students are prepared very nicely. Their chart work. Before the live presentation, we have taken the students' presentation in front of the audience. They have explained very nicely. They have done a great job. You can see and you can appreciate our students' work, how much they have put their effort on this. What is your project?
Winter.
Winter seasons. Very good. This is one of the witness program. Our students are not less than for any event. What you are talking about? Very good. we can see a few of the activities, few more activities. Yeah. Can you talk about your project? Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Kakatiya School of Excellence from Grade 8. Today we are going to present the project of identifying healthy seeds and unhealthy seeds. It has a process to it. Firstly, we have to keep a bowl upon table. Firstly, we have to keep a bowl upon table. Next, we have to pour some water in it. We have to keep some seeds in it and mix it with a spoon. We can observe that some seeds float upon water and some seeds undergoes the water. So we can identify the seeds which are healthy, which undergoes the water, and seeds which are unhealthy, which floats upon water. This is the traditional method used in olden days to identify the seeds which are healthy and which are unhealthy. Thank you.
I think this is a great idea. So the traditional methods nowadays we are making it up to know to the people. So see our students come up with the great idea to understand that which seeds are healthy and which seeds are unhealthy. Appreciate our students. Give your big round of applause. By clicking on the clap symbols on the screen, please appreciate your students. Please recognize our students' efforts. Yeah, we will try to understand.
We are from Kakatiya School of Excellence. Today, we are going to present an ellipsis properties. An ellipse has one unique property which states that one ray falling from passing through focus 1 will and hitting the boundary will always touch focus 2. Let us see how this board represents an ellipse. See, I hit the boundary of the board and it touched the coin. This is known as the focus 2 and this is a unique property of an ellipse.
Congratulate our students.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ravani from DE. Today I'm going to explain the kaleidoscope. This is a kaleidoscope. It has many mirrors. We can see our reflection in a mirror. We can see there are 3 mirrors here. There are multiple, so we can see multiple reflections here. As we can see this mirror, this kaleidoscope rotating, we can see many more designs here. This is because of multiple reflections.
Yeah. What is your project?
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Kakatiya School of Excellence. We are presenting today chemical effects of current on potato. We can see that in the negative elements of the negative electrons of the battery we can go through the wires and present in the potato. In this electrons will connect to the electron to the positive which was connected to the potato. In this we can see that the bluish green color, then this is because of the current affects the chemicals. This can take 30 minutes to react.
Yeah. If you are seeing our students' effort, please click on the like button and appreciate our students. Clapping. I think the parents, you all are doing the great job. You are encouraging our students. Both you and we can develop our childs in the future. We can see them their achievements. So Your encouragement only can gives us to be boost, and we can ask our students to go further. We can listen few of the activities. What is your project? Solar system. See our student effort. What is your solar system? What is your project?
Water.
Water.
We fill one glass water. We cannot see water. Fill orange juice. Water is colorless. Orange juice is color. Water is tasteless. Orange juice is tasteless.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What is your project?
Solar
Solar system. See how nicely the solar system is, drawn the chart. What is this?
water.
You are talking about the water, the saving of water. Yeah, this is a great idea. You are talking
Properties of
properties of water. What is your project?
water.
Water. Okay.
Source of bottled water.
Source of
Bottled water.
bottled water. See our students how they were come up with their solutions and with their chart work. You can see all our students are very talented. Sometimes we miss to understand our students, our children, how they are capable. See, you can visibly see that how much they are putting their work on the charts, and very they much confident enough to be talk about the projects.
Solar system.
Solar system.
Air.
A
Solar system.
solar system.
Solar system. Solar system.
Okay.
Important of cleaning water.
Okay. Good.
Solar system.
Solar system.
Sun is from water.
Okay. In this first class, the theme was given to the students. So they have talked about the solar system. They have come up with so many chart works to talk about the solar system. We have to appreciate our first class students. So please like and hit the claps button on the screen. Let's try to see some more activities. What is this?
This is our security mission.
Okay.
This can be used in banks, hospitals, gold shops, etc. This is mini model of bank security mission. And with this, we can make this buzzer makes sound when laser falls on it. It will be like this. When an object comes between the laser and the LOD, the buzzer makes a big sound, and we can catch thieves, etc. This is our project. And we have thank you.
Appreciate our students. What is this project?
Good afternoon, from Kakatiya School of Excellence. This is soft drink blender. It is helpful to purifying the water, soft drinks, etc. And it sends the waste materials to backside, and it will send pure materials to this side. That's all. Thank you.
See, we are seeing this technology nowadays. So, how our students beautifully prepared this vending machine of soft drinks. Appreciate our students by clicking on the claps on the screen. see how our students come up with their preparation and the required properties and the chart work on the walls. This is we can witness this our students' talent here. Let's try to hear some of the witness.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Kakatiya and this is Ramesh and this is and this is the Raval laptop.
The materials are baking soda. The materials are baking soda, food color, battery with connector. Battery is connected to light, and they give the solution of vinegar, baking soda, and food color.
Here we can see different types of metals, and oil is more denser than the vinegar, so vinegar is floating on the oil. And here we can see the bubbles because here vinegar is reacted with the baking soda, and here we can see the bubbles. And bubbles are the form of carbon dioxide. Bubbles are the form of carbon dioxide. And this is the air cooler.
Materials are battery is connected to the motor and switch. We arranged the fan inside the bottle.
And we arranged the fan inside the bottle because the air around the ice cubes are so cool. So to move that materials, we arranged fan, and the air particles will not rise up. So we arranged the opening here so that the air comes out from this way. And if we arrange the hole here, the air will not come out because the cool air particles will only stay down, and the hot air particles will only rise up. And this is the digestive system.
There are 5 steps. They are digestion, absorption, elimination, and digestion. The parts are bladder cavity, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus. Ingestion is the process by which we can take in food. Bladder cavity and esophagus is ingestion. Bladder cavity consists of teeth, salivary gland, and tongue. These perform different activities. Salivary gland is a mixture of a moisture liquid. It breaks down the simple sugar into substances.
And the cow can only digest grass because it has cellulolytic bacteria, and humans cannot digest the grass. Thank you.
Appreciate our students by clicking a claps on your screens. See how beautifully our students are explaining their topics. I think this is the one of the greatest occasion. What is your project?
So we have made a projector using a box which we have decorated with a colorful A4 sheets. So inside we kept a torchlight. Here we have a bulb filled with water. So whenever we do a theater, there we see a small light coming from the top, which when it reaches to the screen, the image will be so magnified. So it was a principle of C.V. Raman when he said that when white light passes through a fluid, it displaces it spread into a larger area, the image gets magnified. Similarly, we have made a projector. When I was in my science class listening to the chapter of reflection, a thought came into my mind that the bulb is transparent and the water is also transparent. So when the white light is passing through it, so then it would be dispersing to a larger area. The image would also be so magnified. So when you are at your when you are bored at home, you can make this project by using a cardboard box and putting a bulb, and by placing
Nowadays we are seeing the projecting devices, but how see our beautiful students are created this projecting mission with the light and bulb. So it's a, isn't it like a great talent for our students? So appreciate this two of the students, please. What is your project?
To pass the secrets,
Okay.
first we have to take the lemon earbuds and match. First, dip the earbud into the lemon and like
Okay.
then catch the fire with the candle. Keep the paper on the candle. Lightly we are able to see the heads like that.
Okay, this project I will try to explain to you. So here with the aesthetic, the student is trying to be write the names on the paper. Then when we are getting heat of this paper, then the names are visible on the paper. This is a great idea, you know. So sometimes we wanted to write with the invisible ink. So this is an idea of the invisible pen like. Appreciate our student. Okay, we will try to listen a few of the program, a few of the activities from the students. What is your thing?
So our project is about our electric pen.
So loudly.
Our project is about the electric bell which is in the middle of our school and it works on the principle of electromagnetism.
This is Yoshita from grade 7. Today I am here to explain you about materials required. The materials required are an X0 which is acting as a clapper, DC motor, battery snap, switch and some wires.
So here when we turn on the switch, the electricity passes through the wire and it helps the electromagnet to act as an electric effect and it helps the clapper to hit. By using the magnetic effect, the clapper hits the bell and the bell rings. Thank you.
Can you show? Can you show how it rings? We are seeing nowadays in the houses the electric bells, calling bells. So this is the technology behind the calling bell. You have to appreciate our students. They're decoding the technology of nowadays. What is your project?
Day and night. This project is day and night experience. Good afternoon. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ramsey from Kakatiya School of Excellence. Today I am telling you a review situated of day and night experimenter. One light, battery, conductor, color papers, cardboard, ball, import, thermocol. Now you explain how you explain.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Julius Namri. I am studying 7th class in Kakatiya School of Excellence. Today I am going to explain my project day and night experiment. Today I am going the earth revolves continuously 24 hours. Day and night are due to the earth rotating on its axis, not on orbit. It includes daytime and nighttime. Thank you. Now we will show the next how this
We know that day and night falls on the earth, but this is the secret behind of that. We can see, if you can imagine, this is as like a earth. Here they are using with the light. So if the light falls on this object, if you can imagine, imagine like this is an earth, this light falls on this object, then this side it gets light and this side is a dark, so it means this is a day and this is a night. So likewise on the earth, day and night is falling. We can understand by seeing of this model. We try to listen from of our students. What is your project?
Our project and how to make artificial snow.
Okay.
Good afternoon. My name is Anvi.
My name is Krishna.
Today we both are going to show how to make artificial snow. The materials required for this are one spoon, two beakers, one box of water serving dish, any color pigment, one dropper, and some water. First, we should take 2 tablespoons of water absorbing ration and pour it in one beaker.
Then we should add 100 ml of water into another beaker. After this, we should add any color pigment. Now we are going to take orange color pigment. Now we should mix it by using a dropper. After mixing, then we should add this solution into water absorbing resin. After some time, this will become into artificial snow.
Few of the
We made by using white. This is white snow, and this is yellow color pigment snow, and this is blue color pigment snow, and final one green color pigment snow. We can touch it, and this one is the orange color pigment snow. Thank you.
see our students' great talent. They have created artificial snow. We can see this snow will falls on the earth due to the naturality, but we can see our students have created this one by using of artificial solutions. It's a great talent of our students. Hit a like button and appreciate our students. What is your project?
My name is Devash. Today I'm going to give my science experiment. Chemical reaction. With the chemical reaction in sodium carbonate plus water plus oxygen gives rise to sodium hydrogen gas. Indicator cell to prove it is an acid or neutral. This is vinegar. To prove this, if it is that does not change its color to this paper, it is a acid. If it is changes into red color, it is not a acid. It is a base. No, it is a acid. This is base. Soap solution. It changes to red color. This is lemon. It is a acid. It is baking soda.
See how our students are explaining acidity and as well as basic solutions.
It does not
with the
change
natural indicators by using of vinegar and this peppers. Appreciate our students. We can see here a big model is there. This is the great work of our team of students. Let's try to hear in their words.
My name is
Loudly.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rahul. Today I am going to explain eco-friendly energy sources. Here we can see the people which is used to generate electricity. It was only not a carbon dioxide. It takes all the gases like nitrogen, oxygen to produce electricity. As we see calculating the wind speed, it can generate the electricity. As in the Brahmapattnam, they are using coal to generate electricity, but it is releasing more CO2. In this process, no CO2 will be released, but only electricity will be released. Because there was no wind speed or water, we can use, and it is used to generate over a large area. So we can use from the very large areas to carry the electricity. Thanks.
How nicely explained our student the eco-friendly power system by using of wind energy and as well as solar energy. Nowadays we are seeing that so the entire environment is getting polluted by using of coal for the electricity, but our students have come up with the solution of windmills and as well as solar energy. By using of this they are trying to produce the electricity. It's a great idea, so appreciate our students. What is your project? Can you explain?
Global warming is increasing the air surface, so the temperature of the main cause of the global warming is greenhouse effect. The cause of the greenhouse effect is generally the sunlight falls on the earth because of the carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which reflects back in the space. And it's getting heat, the earth is getting more heat, and the mountains and Himalayas are melting. So the sea level is increasing. When the sun is falling on the earth, the carbon dioxide and the other gases combine. Then the oxygen is formed in which the other layer of the earth do not pass again back to its original height. It is storming heat. That's why we are getting global warming. And the solution of the global warming is to decrease the do not waste and do not cut the trees, and do not pour the water to the trees, and you should keep it very clean. Thank you.
By this project we can try to understand nowadays we are seeing that earth mostly facing that global warming. What is the global warming? The temperatures are rising more in the earth. So see, our students are giving a best solution for this. So to not cut the trees and to not harm the nature, if you can destroy the nature, then this is the effect of global warming. If you can use this nature in a proper manner, then we can survive and the trees can be live. So isn't it is a best example for our health and good life? Appreciate our students. We can see one more biggest project here. we'll try to know from them what is this project. On the earth nowadays we are seeing this, the scarcity of water, and for this our students are come up with the solution. See, we will listen from them.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Chaitra. I am Divishka from grade 7. Today, we are from Kakatiya School of Excellence. Today, we are here to show and explain you about purifying water by neutralizing and purifying them. Because of industrial waste, we can see the water bodies getting polluted. Because of that, the aquatic animals living in it are dying. So we have a solution for that called neutralization. Neutralization is a
You can talk.
Neutralization is a process. Neutralization is a process of neutralization. Neutralization is the process of adding base and acid, which produces salt and water. Now we are going to add basic water in the tank. If we add acid, if the water contains base, we should add acid. If the water contains acid, we should add the base to neutralize it. Now we have a basic water. This water contains basic. So to prevent it, we should add the acid. Now the acid is lemon. As you see, the neutralization process is taken. Now we are going to filter. Now we are going to purify the water. There are five layers in a purifier. First one is rocks. Second one is sand, and the third one is coke. Thank you.
We can see this is a great idea. I think this is a common experience for the farmers. So the land is getting polluted because of the acidic and the basic. But our students have come up with the solution, neutralization process. Suppose if the water contains the basic, then they are going to be add for the acidic, and then it gets neutralization. If the water is in acidic, then they will add the basic. That likewise they are getting neutralization process. It's a great idea. Very good, very well done, students. Good, great job. What is your project? What is your project?
Solar energy system.
Solar energy system. Yeah. See, this is one of the model of the solar energy system.
My project is oxygen touch.
Talk about your project.
Our materials prepared for this experiment are colored bottle, sandwich, matchbox, and a cache of bulb. First, I take a cache of garbage. Put it into the garbage. Then I pour a little amount of water.
Again.
Thank you.
See how the small kids are preparing this wonderful experiment. See. Oh, it's wonderful, wonderful. Appreciate our students by clapping. What is your project?
Lungs.
Okay. Explain.
Our body has so many parts like lungs, stomach, small intestine. Lungs are the part of our organs. Lungs are black in color. They help us to breathe.
Can you show the demo of this project? How lungs work? Will you do that? Can you show it to me? See how the internal organ of lungs, how it will works. We can see visibly from here. The expansion. We can see here expansion. Yeah, it's a wonderful model. Wonderful model. Well done, students. What is this? Volcanic eruption. Okay. Can you show the demo? Yeah. See how volcanic eruptions takes a place. It is one of the natural disaster. So our students are trying to explain this natural disaster. I'm feeling very thrilled to see how this volcanic eruption can take a place because I can't see in live. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. See how this volcanic eruption is taking. Oh my God, this is a live experience for me. Yeah, well done, students. Mostly we can see this type of volcanic eruptions in the like TVs, but here our students are making visible in front of us. Wonderful, wonderful. Well done. What is your project? Yeah.
Generation of electricity.
Yeah.
Generation of electricity from water.
Okay. Can you explain? Yeah.
Water stored high can be used to generate electricity. Electricity is generated from water at hydroelectric power plants. Those systems of electricity produce heat generated from hydroelectric power plants. For doing this, a dam is constructed across the river. When the water is allowed to flow down from the dam, it has a lot of energy in it due to its movement. The water flowing from a height is used to turn a turbine. A turbine is a large wheel with blades. It can be turned using different methods. Here it turns because of the momentum of water. The turbine is connected to a generator. A generator is a device that converts the motion of electricity into electricity. This electricity is then connected supplied to various locations using power lines. Thank you for using this wonderful.
See, we can see here how the electricity can produce from the water. This is one of the model example. So well done, students. We can see here water filters from one of our student. How the water get, we can filter. Yeah, good model.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Say loudly.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Neha. And this is Rishita from grade 5. Today we are going to explain about water filters. Here you can see sponge, sand and rocks. We can filter the water by using these and the water. Now we need to pour the mud water into this. This water is purifying from here. When this water is purifying from down, it just purifies from down and it converts into the normal water. Because of the sponge water conversion.
Good.
Thank you.
Very good. Whatever the water gets impurities, and that water is coming from top to bottom is like a pure water. This is one of the model example for the water filters. What is your project?
Observation experiment for catalyst.
Okay. What is your experiment?
Filtration of mud water.
Filtration of mud water. Okay. This is one of the another model. Can you say?
After everyone, this is Aradhya from 10th class. From BSc, filtration of mud water. First we should pour water. And soil. The water will purify because soil water cannot hold soil weight, so soil will go down and slowly it will purify. Thanks.
Very good. Very good. What is your experiment?
Water observation experiment materials for catalysts.
Okay. Can you show demonstration for us? Yeah, do it.
First we have to pour the water into the liquid. Next we have to add the pigments.
Okay.
Next we have to stir evenly. Next we have to take a small plate and we have to stir the grinders into the small plate and we have to grind it. Next we have Next we have to keep the holding the candle. The water in the down comes to the up.
Here we can see the level of water in the bottle. It gets increasing because the fire needs an oxygen. Here when we close this lid, then automatically, so this air is consumed by this light and automatically the water is getting into this bottle. Yeah, it's a great, very good, well done. Yeah, what is your experiment?
Brain.
Brain. Yeah, good.
Good morning, all. My name is Sakshita from grade 5. I am going to explain about brain. Brain has three parts. One is cerebrum, cerebellum, etc. Cerebrum is the largest part in our brain. It is responsible for thinking, memory, emotions, etc. Cerebellum is also known as hindbrain. It is placed below the cerebrum at the back. It helps control momentum of muscles and helps to maintain balance of our body. Medulla is connected to the cerebrum to the spinal cord, and it controls all involuntary muscle actions such as beating of heart, and etc. Thank you.
So we can understand by seeing of this model, it's a brain structure. Our student is created to demonstrate us, and here we can see the layers of the earth. Suppose we don't know what is the inside of the earth, but here we can try to understand as like a onion. Here the different layers are there at the inside of the earth. It's a wonderful. Good job. What is your project?
Our project is solar cooker. Good afternoon all. Solar cooker is a device we use to cook food by the help of energy radiated by the sun. Now my friend Dhruti will explain the materials required to make the solar cooker.
The materials required to make this solar cooker is aluminium foil, cardboard box, glue, and a cardboard box.
And now I will explain the working of the solar cooker. We have to place this solar cooker in a sunlight. A strong beam of light comes to this aluminium foil and reflects to the glass plate. The glass plate absorbs the heat, and then this black paint will trap the heat, and by this process this substance will get ready and it get heated. Now my friend Dhruti will tell the scientific reason behind this.
The scientific reason behind this is trapping the heat from the reflection of the sunlight.
Now my friend Pamela will tell the advantages of this solar cooker.
We can cook the food without fuels like LPG, kerosene, etc. It is also low cost device.
Now my friend Purna will tell disadvantages.
We cannot cook food without presence of sunlight. Thank you.
See parents, our students are come up with a great idea. So without purchasing any expensive material, here they have prepared a solar cooker. I think we can cost cut from the electricity by using of this model. Yeah, this is one of the another model we can see here. Brain. Our students have prepared it very nicely. Can anyone talk about it? Yeah.
Brain is a part of the nervous system. It is the central component of the body which helps us to sensing the words, remembering and verbally. It has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Cerebrum is the largest part in our brain. It is responsible for thinking, emotions, and memory. It controls sense organs. Cerebellum, it is also known as hindbrain. It helps us to control the muscles and maintain balance of our body. Medulla connects to cerebrum to the spinal cord. It controls all involuntary activities such as breathing of the heart and digestion. Thank you.
Well done, well done. Great job. Yeah, we can see this. Yeah.
My project is vacuum cleaner. I made this project by a waste bottle and a DC motor, a battery and switch and a fan. It is very useful because it can help us to keep our country neat and clean. When I on this switch, then the battery produces the energy and the fan rotates, then and the dust particles come towards itself. Now I show the light example. When I on this, can be just can come inside of towards it. Thank you.
Excellent, Mark. Excellent. So see how by using of the available properties, by available water bottles and waste materials, he prepared that vacuum cleaner. Well done.
Good afternoon, Mandandal. My name is Bhavit. I am studying 5th class. Today I am explaining about construction process and uses of the sockpit. Sockpit is very useful design of water management. It is important to clean the wastewater coming from our home and send it into the ground. Now I will tell you the construction process of the sockpit. The depth of the sockpit should be at least 6 feet. 3 feet should be filled with 40 ml. 2 feet should be filled with 20 ml. Locks prevent the wall from collapsing. Now, remaining 1 feet is filled with coal and the sand. Coal remove the chemical component from the wastewater. Sand purifies the wastewater. Now I will tell you the advantages of the sockpit. The advantages of sockpit are: it is very simple and easy technique. The initial cost as well as the operation cost is affordable. The dryness problem in rural areas is only the solution for that problems. It helps in the recharge of the groundwater bodies. The next generation water saving is the most important. So please construct the sockpit in every home. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yeah, one wonderful suggestion was given by our student. So I think you understand. Please try to follow the soak pit. Well done, student. Appreciate our students by clapping. Here also we can see few of the models of volcanic eruptions. Let's see how it will be erupts from the volcans. You can see. These are the volcanoes and naturally erupts when the heat of the earth gets more, then automatically this lava comes from the volcanoes. Yeah, this is one of the model we are seeing here. Our students have prepared this. Appreciate our students. Here also one of the model we can see. What is your name?
Abhiram.
Abhiram. Yeah, well done, Abhiram. Well done. What's your name?
Gautam sir.
Gautam Sai. Excellent, excellent. Good teamwork. What is your name?
Dhiru sir.
Dhiru. Well done, Dhiru. A great teamwork.
Dhanush sir.
Dhanush. Okay, well done, well done. Here we can see another model, solar eclipses. Okay, can you talk about it?
My name is Iran. Yes, today I am going to tell you why the solar eclipse happened. When the sun, moon, and the earth came in a straight line, it creates interesting phenomena and casts a shadow on each other. When the moon came between the sun and the earth, it blocked the sunlight from reaching the earth. And a person standing on earth cannot see the sun because the sun is hiding behind the moon. In Telugu, we call this Surya Grahana. And
Well done, students. I'm surprising by seeing of this video, this model, because we can understand here how eclipses will happen, solar eclipse. Yeah, well done, students. Yeah, can you name your project?
Our project name is osmosis.
Okay, can you explain?
Osmosis is the diffusion of water from low concentration to high concentration. There are steps. In the first step, we should peel the potato, and the second step, we should make it as a container. In third step, we should mix the sugar with the water. In the fourth step, we should add the sugar water in the potato. In the fifth step, we should take it out and we should fill it with the water. And we should place the potato in the bowl. After some time, we will see that the normal water moves inside the potato. Means the low concentration water is passing into the high concentration water.
Well done, students. Well done. Great work. Here we are seeing from the third grade.
It has tiny pores. Sand. It has the biggest pores. Slick. It has more than
What's your name?
particles.
Parnika, what is your project?
My project name is How Oceans Form.
How oceans?
Form.
Very good, well done. So here a beautiful presentation we can see here. Our student prepared nice chart to talk about the ocean form. Well done, Parnika. What's your name? Tushita. Very good. What is your project?
My project name is Water Cycle.
Water cycle. Excellent. So see, our student prepared this water cycle, how it is naturally takes a place, evaporation, condensation, and as well as transpiration. Well done. Great job. What's your name? Vatshalya. What's your project? You're talking about the oceans. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. What's your name? Vinay. What is your project? You're talking about the physical features of India? Yeah, very good. We can see here the physical features of India, Himalayas, and the plateaus. Great chart work. Well done, Nana. What's your name?
Harshit.
What's your project?
Magnetic force.
Magnetic force. Show.
First we have to take the matchstick and take the fire. Wait some time. Take, take, take the magnet. See, this is called magnetic force.
Excellent, excellent. Very good, very good. What's your name?
Sanvia.
Sanvia. What is your project?
Types of soil structure. The structure of soil refers the way of soil particles are arranged. It depends on soil particles and how the soil is formed. There are three types of soil structures: blocky, columnar, and granular. Difference of oceans and seas. Oceans are the largest saltwater bodies. Seas are smaller saltwater bodies. An ocean begins where a sea ends. Sea touch land on at least one side. They are the deepest water bodies on the earth. They are not as deep as oceans. Rivers flow on rocks and carry minerals and salts along with them. Thank you.
Very good, Sanya. Very good. I think that my student is explaining about the different soils and as well as different oceans. Well done, student. What's your name?
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi. What's your name? Okay, very good. Vaishnavi, can you talk about your project? Hold it. Yeah.
Effects of landforms on the earth. In mountains areas, they will wear thick clothes because it is very cold. In deserts, people will wear cotton clothes. In plains, people will wear clothes according to the season. Summer, cotton clothes. Winter, woolen clothes. Monsoon, rain coats. The people on mountains and hills will eat the animals, vegetables, and fruits which are available there. The people near the water bodies eat different kinds of fishes. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent. You're talking about the India map? Yeah, very good, very good. We can see here the beautiful chart work from our student. What's your name?
Anjit Kumar.
Ranjit Kumar.
Different types of soils.
Different types of soils. Very good, ma. Very good, well done. What is your project?
Plants, roots, break rocks.
Very good, excellent. What's your name?
My name is Priya.
You want to explain? We will talk about your project. Yeah.
Some roots of plants grow inside the cracks of rocks and roots grow bigger. They form cracks in minerals, rocks and make their break into smaller pieces. But it took thousands of years to form soil.
Well done. What's your project, ma?
Hills and mountains.
What's your name?
M.R.
Okay. Yeah. Talk about your project.
Hills are flatter than mountains. Hills are desert to climb. Nilgiri hills are most famous hills in India. They do not have steep.
Very good, ma. Very good. Well done. Well done. Here we can see a few more projects are there. You can see here. What is your project? Photosynthesis. Can you explain about it?
Water and food will travel. Do you know why the plant's leaves will be green in color? Because of
Excellent, ma. So, isn't it a beautiful picture of photosynthesis? How the photosynthesis takes a place on the plants? Yeah. Well done, ma. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Well
sir.
done. Well done. Another model of lungs. What's your name? Chandana. What's your name? Very good. Excellent. So, can you demonstrate for us? Can you show how? Here we can see exertion and insertion of the lungs. This is one of the model for our human lungs. Well done. Well done.
When we insert the air, it enters to our lungs. Oxygen from the air moves to our blood. At a time, carbon dioxide, a waste gas, goes from blood to our lungs and it will exhale. Thank you.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Excellent job. Excellent job. What's your project?
Rain gauge.
Rain gauge. What's your name?
My name is Roshni. My name is Nakshit.
Very good. Can you talk about your project?
My project name is Rain Gauge.
Okay. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. So to measure that, the rain water or else rain percentage, we are using this rain gauge. Good model. What's your project? Vacuum cleaner. What's your name? Snehan. What's your name? Navatej. Here another model of vacuum cleaner. Very good. Excellent model. Well done, students. What's your name?
Ishwar.
Ishwar. Okay. Here we are seeing that beautiful chart work of human digestive system that is made by our student. Can you talk about your project?
When we eat the food, it goes to the mouth and it then goes to the esophagus and it goes. The food goes to the stomach and the in stomach juice in there. In the juice, the food will mix and further broken down, and it will go to the small intestine. Three types are there in small intestine. There are ileum, jejunum, duodenum. In the small intestine, from food, the small intestine absorbs nutrients, and it will go to the large intestine. In large intestine, minerals and water will absorb, and it goes to the rectum. Rectum will and it goes to the hand.
Excellent, excellent. Now I understood that how digestive system will works for the humans. Excellent job, excellent job. What's your project?
My project is a circle rainbow. If we keep the gems around the plate and if we pour the water to gems and the gems slowly release the color, then all colors will come in middle and it will be mixed and it will come some colors like green, yellow, orange.
Okay, excellent, excellent, good. What's your name? Rishikesh, what's your project? Excellent, excellent, well done. What is your name?
My name is Nived.
Nived. What's your project?
My project is water dispenser.
Hold it. Can you talk about your project? Yeah.
So, hi everybody, my name is Sunil. I'm from 4th grade in Kakatiya School of Excellence. This is water dispenser. When we open the cap, the water comes. When we close the cap, the water will not come. Why? Because when we open the cap, the water pushes the water, so it comes to the straw. So I made this with plastic water bottle and inserted the straw. It helps to this instrument helps to dispense the water. When we this was invented by Halsey, Willard, Taylor, and Luther Haas. When we can
Well done.
carry it to any places.
Excellent, ma. Excellent, Nived. Very good. Well done. What is your name? Bhavyasri. What is your name? Ashwita. So here we can see another model of lungs, how the lungs will work. So few of the models we have covered here. So our students have prepared a chart work here. Very good, well done. What's your name?
Hanish Sai.
Hanish Sai. What's your name?
Kashmita.
What are you going to be talk about it?
Heart. The function and the structure of the heart.
Can you talk about the structure of the heart?
Yes.
Yeah.
The structure of the heart is pumps blood to all body parts. Inside of the heart, this is blood from lungs, and it pumps to the organ systems. Thank you.
Well done. Excellent, mark. What's your name?
Yashwant.
Ashwant. What is your project?
Indicator system.
What's your name?
Yashwant.
What's your project?
Indicator system.
Yeah, very good. Can you talk about it? Yeah.
It is a turmeric water. When we put turmeric water into red color water, that was reactioning. When we put the turmeric water and soap water into the vinegar, that was reactioning with all colors. Thank you.
Excellent. Well done. Well done, ma. So we can see here the natural indicators by using of turmeric powder. Well done, students. Parents appreciate our students by clicking on that claps. Here another model is there for us to see this, the solar system. What's your name? Can you talk about your project?
This is the planets are rotating around the sun. The first planet was Mercury is nearest to the Sun. The second planet was Venus is the second planet. The third planet was Earth. It is have life and it is also known as blue planet. The fourth planet was Mars is also known as red planet. And fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. The sixth planet was Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings and seventh planet was Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet and it is also known as the biggest planet. The eighth planet was Neptune. Neptune is also known as coldest planet. And ninth planet was Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet and it was eliminated in 1996 and before it was far away to the sun.
Excellent, ma. Excellent. Excellent. Here we can see the real model of the solar system. Well done. What's your name? What's your name? What's your project? Can you talk about your project?
My name is Tanmay. This is Sarthi. We are from 4th grade. Today we are going to explain about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which carbon dioxide, soil, water are combined.
Thank you.
Excellent, ma. Well done. Well done. What's your name? What's your name? What's your project? Wind wave. Yeah. Very good. Well done. What's your name? Subhasri. What's your name? Subhasri, can you talk about your project?
My projects are magnets. I'm saying about magnets. Magnets have two poles. They are north and south. Magnets have higher strength to attract the magnetic materials. Our Earth also behave like a group chain magnet. The magnet broken into two pieces. It also have poles. And now, hello everyone. Hello. Today I am going to say about the magnets. The magnets have the poles have higher strength to attract the magnetic materials. The poles attract more magnetic materials. The magnets have higher tensor to attract magnetic materials. Now you are seeing the horseshoe magnet in either side attracting the other poles. You can see here a bar magnet attracting to north pole to south pole. And here is a broken horseshoe magnet, but it still attracts the iron fibers because it have two poles. Thank you. White for electric circuit is all water, Galactic wires, battery snapper, and battery. We need to these materials because they pass electricity and they are electrons. We can see the galactic wires are covered with plastic because to prevent electric shock.
Here we are seeing that good models from our students. Another model of water purification. Can you tell what's your name?
My name is Sai Kamal.
What's your name?
My name is K. Lakshmi. My name is D. Monish. My name is B. Krishna Siddhartha.
Can you demonstrate how it will works? Yeah, demonstrate.
First, we pour water in this.
Okay.
It will
Hold.
transfer to under glass. And second, it will transfer to under glass. It will stop the sand and mud particles, and it will transfer to cotton mold. Cotton will stop mud particles or anything. We will get purified water. Thank you for your support.
Excellent students, excellent. What's your name?
My name is
Likisai. What is your project?
My project name is Gogo.
Can you talk?
I make a robot. It can move one place to another place and it has light. We use this robot when the power gone in night. We can use this light and thank you for giving this opportunity.
Excellent, excellent. Very good. Well done. What's your project?
Our project is protein test.
Protein test. What's your name?
Deepa. My name is Nandina.
Navi. Can you talk about your project?
This project, the use of this project is to find the food item rich in protein or not. How to find this? First we should take 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of sodium hydroxide. Now wait for few seconds. If it change into dark purple or dark blue, it is rich in protein. If it do not change into dark blue or dark violet, it is not rich in protein. Thank you.
Excellent. So, in my childhood, I don't know these projects. My students are doing these wonderful projects. I'm feeling very happy by seeing of our kids are doing this a great job. What is your name? Charitasri. What is your name? K. Ashrita. What's your name? Sai Sufala.
3 different projects.
Vitamins keeps our body and prevent diseases. Protein cells of body by building bones and muscles. Carbohydrates cells of body give us energy. Fiber is also called carbohydrate and it removes undigested food from our body. Fat is also gives us energy and is far better than carbohydrates. Water absorbs nutrients from our body and remove undigested food from our body. Thank you.
We are appreciating all our parents by stay connecting our live program, and we are requesting all the parents, please be connected to the live. We have a few of the students to listen their projects, and I think this is the right time to be appreciate our students' efforts. So we are requesting everyone, please be staying online. We are hoping to encourage our students.
Today, my science project is family. Today, I want to tell about kindness. Why kindness is important because of when the ingredient is in a fat or not, we should have to test now. For example, we should take 5 to 6 groundnuts and 1 pepper, and then we should have to hold like this, and we should have to crush it. And after we see that some oily patch here, so that we can say that in this ingredient the oil is there. Thank you.
Excellent.
Good afternoon, madam. This is Upma from Graces. Today I am here to present my science project. My science project name is Carnival Ride. For this we need some materials like easy water, Olympics, lead, carbon, needed mice and batteries. This is very enjoyable and joyful for children to elders. When they went to exhibition, they will ride like these funny rides. When we keep the wire to the battery, it will start working. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Claps.
The water will go through small rocks, sand and cotton. We want to pour first in big rocks because big rocks have filters and small rocks, and these all materials have filters. It happen naturally. Then we will get so that we can start. Slowly it will come down.
Explain.
When it came out from these four materials, the water will purify. But it won't purify clearly because when sand, when rocks and dust have this
My name is Samina. Today our project name is Test for Floating and Sinking. We need 2 glasses full of water, salt and lemon. First, we should take lemon and we'll keep the lemon in normal water. It is sinking because the lemon had higher density than the water, so it is sinking.
First, we have to take salt water and mix it. We have to take salt, at least 4 spoons in the. We have to mix clearly, and we have to pour in the lemon. It is floating. Why? Because the lemon had higher density, the water had lower density. Because it is floating. Thank you.
Excellent students. We are appreciating on behalf of the Kakatiya Excellence from our management. All the parents are paying attention towards the students' projects. Please be connected to the live program. We are almost near to end within 10 minutes. I hope the remaining students also feel happy by seeing of all their parents are attending for this live program. We are requesting everyone, please be connected to the live program. Within 10 minutes, we are going to be close this.
There are four steps in water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Evaporation means sun starts evaporating main water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The water vapor turns into cloud. The clouds are tiny droplets of water. This process is called condensation. These tiny droplets of water fall to the earth. This process is called precipitation. And precipitation. Now, the only form of precipitation is rainfall. Rainfall falls on the surface of the earth. These all further processes together are called a water cycle. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Well done, students. Here we are seeing here the beautiful model of water cycle. I'm seeing very happy by seeing the students' efforts here. So see how they have prepared this model. Excellent students, excellent job. So all the names one by one.
My name is and I am T. Bhumika from 6th grade. Today we are going to do a science experiment that is called protein test. In a day-to-day life, we eat many protein rich foods such as egg, fruits, nuts, etc. Today I am going to test milk to know whether it contains protein or not. To know, first of all, we need to take a small test tube and we should take small amount of milk into it. And we should take a dropper and take 2 to 5 drops of copper sulfate NaOH and drop it into the milk. Next, we should take the 2 to 5 drops of caustic soda KOH. And we should wait for some time and shake it well for some time. Now we can see that it is slowly turning into blue and in purplish, so that we can understand that milk contains protein. Thank you. Today I am going to explain the directions of the Earth pole. Here is the bar magnet and the needle. When we stroke the needle, this point of the needle we are stroking with North Pole and end with the South Pole. Now we'll keep the needle to the wax paper. Now we'll leave the wax paper on the water and we'll spin it. Now this, when it stops spinning, that point shows the south because we spoke with the north, and the end shows the north. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to do experiment of a secret triple. So first we should take a baking soda and we should mix in the water and we should shake it. Next we should take a bird and we should write anything. So next I have here beetroot. So we should cut it.
Apple.
Now we should scrub it.
Yeah, well done.
Okay.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Hello.
Now I am here to do converting cool drink into soda. Now I took some water in a cool drink bottle. Now here I have phenolphthalein indicator. Now I will add 2 drops of this indicator in the bottle. Now I will take some sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, and add some in the same bottle. Now did you observe the solution is turning into pink color? This is because when phenolphthalein indicator is added to a base medium, here the base medium is sodium carbonate. When it is added to the base medium, it turns into pink color. Now I will add in another container, I will add lemon salt and also water. I will mix it well. Then I will add this solution to the container. Now did you observe it is turning into colorless? This is because when phenolphthalein indicator is added to a acidic medium. Now here the acidic medium is lemon salt solution. When it is added to the acidic medium, it turns into colorless. Thank you.
Well done, students. Well done. What's your name?
This is Desmona from grade 6. This is Yashasvi Sai from grade 6. This is Hanshita from grade 6.
Yeah.
Today
Explain.
we are going to carbohydrates. First we read required materials are any food item and iodic solution. First we have to take an item and we have to pour in the. We have to take 2 to 3 drops of the iodic solution and we have to add in the food item. If it is turned into blue-black color, it contains the carbohydrate. If it is not turning into blue-black color and it does not have any carbohydrate. Thank you. Now we are doing here lava lamp. Materials are required for this pure vegetable oil and baking soda and color. Any color we can take. We took here green color and vinegar. First we should take baking soda, 2 spoons we should add in that. And in that baking soda we should add pure vegetable oil. In next class we should add vinegar and food color. We already added it. We should that vinegar and food color we should add in vegetable oil. We should keep torch in the down. If we keep the torch, it will be very clearly. Because vinegar has less density than oil. And it is reacting with a baking soda, and that's why it is coming like a small particles. Thank you. Thank you.
Excellent. Excellent.
Anna, can you clear yours? These people will keep it on your table.
Hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Kakatiya. Today I am presenting about the magnetism field. To view the magnetism field, we need the iron filings and the bar magnet. When we put some iron filings and the bar magnet and the bar magnet and we should set it.
Mountain eruption. Did you explain this?
Now it creates a magnetism line field lines. So it will attract to the south and the north pole. Hello everyone, today I am going to show the filtration. First we have to pour the sand water. We have to mix the sand in the water. Next we have to pour this water into the glass, into this bottle. Then the sand will stay in the up of the bottle and the fresh water will come into the down bottle. Circulatory system. The circulatory system have three main parts: those are heart, veins, and arteries. These are arteries and veins. This is function of arteries and veins. Thank you.
Excellent students, well done.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tamma. I am studying South. Today we did a simple circuit. It is example to the electricity is passed through the safety pole to the highway. My name is Shankarika. I am from grade 7. The current will also pass through the iron. This is an example we can safety pin to pass through the iron. Iron. It is a open circuit when it closes. It is a closed circuit when it closes. The light will go. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kakatiya. I am from 7th grade A section, Kakatiya School of Excellence. Today, I am going to say about heart working model. Heart is a muscular organ. Heart is a muscular organ. See, heart is a muscular organ that consists of 4 chambers: left ventricle, left atrium, and right ventricle, right atrium. And the heart takes place in in circulatory system. In circulatory system, when we inhale oxygen, it comes through the lungs and came to the left ventricle and goes through the right ventricle. And when we exhale the carbon dioxide, here the exchange of gases takes place: oxygen to the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide comes to the left atrium and goes to right atrium and goes to the lungs. Thank you.
Excellent. We are requesting parents, least but not least. Here we have a big projects from our grade 8 students. Their efforts are very high. I think we are now going to watch their projects.
Namaste. My name is Kartik. I am studying 8th class in Kakatiya School of Excellence in Nandigama. And today I am going to be presenting a water resisting roof which is used to protect the right crop from being destroyed by rain. We know that farmers play a very important role in our society. So many are losing interest in farming because they are having losses. So to prevent losses, I made this. project. Let's see how it works. Now, see, I made a gentle slope, which means when the motor is going to turn, it's going to close, and when it's going to close is when it's going to rain. We know that the hardest crop need to be exposed to sun, that microbes on it will die. So microbes on it will die, like bacteria. So in that process, sometimes it's gonna when it rains, all the hard work that the farmer have been through will be gone into vain. So to prevent that, I made this. So let's think. This is as the rainwater, and this is the crop that we need to protect. This is the crop that we need to protect, and this is a very simple circuit which is being broken up by a small gap, which this water is gonna fill up. And now let's do it. Let's see. I'm going to pour this. I'm going to drop down this water. See, the roof have been dragged down. So we can see that the crop is being saved from the rainwater. And in this way we can save both farmers' hard work and their time. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Good evening everyone. My name is Saranya. I am studying in grade 6 in Kakatiya School. Today I am making a project of fountain eruptions. Now we should pour some vinegar to the fountain.
Hold that mic for me.
After we should add food color. After we should add one pin to fountain. After some time, it will become like a magma.
Yeah, good. Good job. Here again we are seeing that another model of volcanic eruption. Parents, we are now live with 8th grade students. Please be connected to that live. Here now we are broadcasting for the 8th grade students.
Namaste. My name is Richard.
My name is Deva. And my name is Sajid.
Today we made an oxygen machine by the process of evaporation. How the machine works is extremely simple. Basically, water is written as H2O. When electricity is passed through the water, the hydrogen and oxygen separates. The hydrogen is positively charged and the oxygen is negatively charged. Here we keep two electrodes made out of pencils. The positive electrodes will attract oxygen, and the negative electrodes will attract hydrogen, because hydrogen is positively charged and oxygen is negatively charged. That is why, since oxygen is negatively charged, it gets attracted by the positive electron, and since hydrogen is positively charged, it gets attracted by the negative electrons. Now we can see that the decomposition of water will be in the ratio of 2:1, where 2 is hydrogen and 1 is oxygen. Now we can identify oxygen and hydrogen by seeing here. Where the bubbles are like forming a lot, it is hydrogen. Since hydrogen has high amount in the ratio, in decomposition of ratio in water, and where the bubbles are forming low, like here, it means oxygen is producing. Plus this electron is positively charged. That is why we can confirm that this is oxygen, and we capture this oxygen and release hydrogen. And the rest of the part will be explained by my friend Sai.
We use this oxygen. We use this oxygen machine to save many people. Like so many people are suffered by the respiratory problems. we use this machine to get help. We can use this machine to help them. Like now, the oxygen is passed through this column, so that the people can take the oxygen from this, and it is seen to melt and helpful to the people. Thank you.
Excellent job. Excellent job. Now we have another model.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Kakatiya from grade 8 Kakatiya School of Excellence. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Saidivesh. I am from grade 8 from Kakatiya School of Excellence. Today, I am here to do hydrogen poppers. The purpose of doing this activity is to know how hydrogen is produced by the reaction of sulfuric acid and magnesium when combined. So now the materials required will be said by Karthik sir. Materials required are test tube holder, test tube, a matchstick and matchbox, a cord, magnesium ribbon and sulfuric acid. So now I would like to take some sulfuric acid to this test tube. And then I would like to take magnesium and add into the sulfuric acid and then close with a cork tightly. We can see the reaction between sulfuric acid and magnesium inside, and it is going to make hydrogen. Now I am going to open the cork and test whether hydrogen is produced or not. The sound which is produced by the hydrogen that says that magnesium ribbon and sulfuric acid combines and make hydrogen, so that the pop sound says that really the hydrogen is produced because of magnesium and sulfuric acid. When the hydrogen burns, it releases pop sound. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Hichan Sai. He is Karthik Sai and she is Meghna Sai. Today we are going to dissect a frog. We are from grade 8 Kakatiya School of Excellence. We already have a frog where the skin and muscular layers has been removed. You can see the organs of it. Here we have the equipments that we use to remove the skin and muscular layers kept in salt water. Let's remove the organs of the frog and observe them carefully.
Now let us remove the skin which is the. Now let us remove the skin which is up.
Jogesh, hold the mic.
We can keep a needle for staying. Okay. Now let us see the digestive system of the frog. See, the right here is the stomach, and the attached one is the large intestine.
This is the liver. This is the liver. The liver is divided into 3 loops. Let me show you. See, this is the first loop. This loop, and the first loop is the smallest loop. This is the second loop, and here is the third loop. The third loop is the largest loop. Let us look at the lungs of it. Wait. See, here. Wait. Here, we can see the gallbladder of the frog. The gallbladder purpose is to store the digestive juices released by the liver. This is the heart of the frog that you can see, which is going to be cutted now.
Can I try?
No, that it is not directly attached to the cut here. This is the heart of the frog. Now let us remove. Now let us remove the digestive tract. Let us remove the muscular connections.
Let us remove the muscular connections between the stomach and the large intestine. We mostly choose the frog to dissect because it resembles the human structure.
We choose the frog to dissect it because the frog organ arrangement resembles the organ arrangement of the human. That is why even today or in ancient days, the frog is chosen to be dissected. In ancient days, a person want to become a doctor, he need to pass a test. That is, he have to dissect a frog, arrange the organs properly again, and switch down and put it in the water. If it's swim and if it is alive again, he is considered as a doctor. Otherwise, he fails.
So this is our last project. So see how our students are detaching all the body parts of rat. Yeah. So we are appreciating and giving a thanks to all the parents of our Kakatiya School of Excellence. And our students have made their great effort.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I am here to demonstrate about the electroplating. The purpose we are going to do this electroplating is to describe that electroplating is used for making gold and plating the higher costly metals to the cheaper costly metals to make them look similar to the costly metals. So I have used here a silver ring to put on the spoon. So the silver ring has converted into copper when I added the copper sulfate. The materials I use is copper sulfate, 2 batteries, 2 wires, and spoon, cardboard, water, glass, and a silver ring, and a battery snatcher. So this silver ring has converted here into copper, and the spoon is likely to convert into a silver spoon. Thank you.
We are thanking all the parents of who have joined up to now. So we are going to be close this live program, and we will share this recorded video with all. Thank you.